The brave ones with Debz. From the crimson courage of fire to the radiant promise of gold, the brave ones with Debz shines a light on real-life heroes who dare to lead with heart. A golden sun rises over an African landscape. In the heart of West Africa, in a land called Burkina Faso, a quiet revolution is taking place, not with swords, but with seeds. President Traoré walking past shiny luxury cars. He pauses, shrugs, and waves them off. While most leaders dream of shiny SUVs, President Ibrahim Traoré had a different vision. He said, "Forget the flash, let's feed the future." A convoy of tractors driving past cheering villagers. He ordered 400 tractors, 239 tillers, and 710 water pumps. Not for himself, but for his people. No designer suits, just mechanized farming for a hungry nation. Kids helping plant seeds, women pumping water, men riding motorcycles to fields, and mountains of seeds, fertilizer, and fish feed. He even gave out 714 motorcycles to agricultural agents. Why? Because when the land thrives, the people thrive. President Traoré waves from an old, dusty Land Rover Defender. His own ride? A 2001 Land Rover, dusty but dependable. While other presidents roll in million-dollar convoys, Traoré rolls with humility. Other leaders bathing in luxury. Traoré standing under a tree with farmers. Where some hoard, he honors. Where others splurge, he sows. And while some preach, Traoré plants. A sign rises with bold letters. Leadership is service. Captain Ibrahim Traoré is proof that bravery isn't loud. It's generous, grounded, and grows food instead of ego. Burkina Faso's flag waves as farmers cheer. To the brave ones who lead with love, we salute you. The brave ones with Debz, where true leaders come to life. Click to subscribe. You will really help our channel ratings. You will really help our channel ratings. Share, you will really help our channel ratings. Click to subscribe. The brave ones with Debz, where true leaders come to life. See you next week.